Welcome, another segment of Lousje and Bean behind the scene. I am showing you this amazing outfit for prancing around on a boulevard or sitting on a patio. Welcome, lovelies. I'm so comfortable in this outfit. I am a shirt girl. I love shirts. I love them buttoned up or opened up, loose. I love the color, I love the cuffs. And this is a very nice design actually, and the fabric is lovely. It's a blend of viscose and cotton, natural fibers, right? So you can't get any better than that in the summertime. It's airy, it's light. If you don't want to be in the sun, this would be a great cover up because you barely feel you're wearing anything. Nice cuffs that you can open up and roll. Nice little collar that you can button up or open up. Slits, and I'm wearing a small, so it's a great size. This is by Zaket Plover, by the way, from Australia. This line, actually Oprah Winfrey is a big fan of this line, and she quite often shows herself in sweaters or an article from the company. The pants are equally comfortable, a flat front, an elastic waist, and nice pockets, and a cute little detail on the side here. So there's a seam here, and then they open it up in a slit, and it's got three beautiful green buttons. Nice line too. I have been invited to a wedding in BC. One of my cousins moved there with his wife, and their son is getting married. We've always been very close. It's in Kitimat. And it's a little bit of an awkward flight because I'm flying from Hamilton to Calgary, then from Calgary to Terrace, and then from Terrace we are driving to Kitimat. Anyway, I'm excited about it, and it's the height of summer, August, so I might pack this in my suitcase because we're going to do a little winery, not a tour, but we're going to visit a few wineries, and this would be perfect. It doesn't wrinkle in your suitcase. It doesn't weigh anything. Of course, I'm going to go carry on. So this is a very nice outfit for many things in the summer. And I think this color is good for most of you lovelies. There is a little t-shirt with a cap sleeve in this apple green color. And there's a nice lightweight summer sweater with a quarter sleeve, also in the apple color. So it's mix and match, right? You can't go wrong. You can even wear a little sweater or the t-shirt underneath the shirt and wear it open as a little jacket, swingy jacket. So I'm going to show you these pants in the Florence print and how I styled it, and I'll be back. So I'm back, lovelies, with the pants in the Florence print, and equally nice, right? Beautiful colors, love, love, love. This is a beautiful, beautiful lightweight summer sweater, and of course the material Zaket Plover uses, like the fibers, are beautiful. It's a silk and cotton, a little bit of nylon, which is a good thing to keep it in shape for all the years you have it. This is a very comfortable sweater, a great design. I'm wearing a small, so as you can see, it's a really nice loose fitting design, and I love this necklace with it. I love this combination, the fuchsia and the orange. This is a lovely bracelet too from Siska. My earrings from Siska too, of course. You can also wear these beautiful pants with the little t-shirt in the same color, and with the duster dress. You can wear it open, and then it's a beautiful flowing, exotic looking ensemble. Okay, lovelies, tonight I'm having some girlfriends over for wine, and the weather is already so nice that we can sit outside. I've spruced up my deck and power washed it, and this would be my outfit to wear, really, because it's not hot yet, and I can wear this. I could even get the duster out and put it over, and then I look pretty nice, and I will feel very comfortable chit-chatting and catching up with my two girlfriends. Today is the day of the open house, the party. So please come down and join us. It's from 10 to 5, and we would love to see you. And we will show you around how it still is. And then we're going to close down, and we will invite you to look again when it's all done. Okay, lovelies, I'm going to say goodbye. And as always, keep on smiling.